pretend to be another animal. I want to pretend to be chickens.
Chickens.
Can you show me?
Clap, ba ba ba. Cluck, 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 ba ga.
Quack, quack, quack.
Cluck, 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 ba ga.
I think they only have 2 legs, right?
Cluck, ba ga.
How about like this?
With
your wings flapping.
Ba ga.
How do they eat? How do they eat? They go. Can you show me how they eat? Do they use their arms? I don't think so. I go. Nice. Nice. How about, what's next? Which one do you want to be now? You did those 2. Let's go these. Which one?
I want to bear a snake.
Okay, which one do you want to be? You like those cards. You want to fill those out too?
Scales.
Scales? A sheep has scales, are you sure?
Walk.
It does walk, yes. But what does it have on it? Does it have fur? Feathers?
Fur.
Yes, very good. So do you want to do a bear or a snake now?
Fur.
A fur is on the sheep, yes. But let's pretend to be a snake or a bear. Which one? Okay, show me. Show me what a snake does. Does a snake crawl? I think a snake slithers. That's a pretty good snake. All right, let me see your bear. Well, it sounded like a pretty good bear. I think bears climb things too. Don't you think? Well, I think that was pretty good pretending. Do you want to pretend to be one more thing, or are you all done with this?
Cyrus, I want.
Cyrus
slipped into the tree.
Oh, you did slip into a tree. Thank you for pretending to play with me.